Fun facts about animals. Cats. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees to catch even the tiniest sounds. A group of playful kittens is called a kindle. Every cat has a unique nose print, just like a human fingerprint. Cats spend nearly 70% of their lives peacefully sleeping. Cats use their whiskers like natural rulers to measure tight spaces. Some cats can leap as high as 6 times their own height. A cat's gentle purr can help them feel calm, safe, and relaxed. Unlike humans, cats cannot taste sweet flavors at all. Subscribe and follow for more.